Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. The only thing my wife can cook is out of a box. Today we're making easy chicken mole. We're going to start with 1 onion, cut into quarters. 3 cloves of garlic. I only had garlic, so I'm using that. And about 3 pounds of chicken. Alright, we're going to cover it with water and let her cook. And we're going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Now we're going to let it cook until it's done. As the chicken cooks, you're going to notice all this stuff floating on the top. That's impurities you want to get out. We're going to use this broth to make mole and to make the rice. Now that our chicken's done, we're going to set it aside to get started on the mole sauce. To the pot, we're going to add 1 jar, or in this case, 1 box of Donna Marie mole sauce. Now, traditional mole is made with crushed peanuts. This is going to be easy mole. So instead of crushed peanuts, we're using peanut butter. About 1/4 cup of peanut butter. And we're going to let that mix in and melt in. Now I'll be adding in 4 cups of that chicken broth. That's 2 cups. And 4 cups. To that, we're also going to be adding 1 tablet of Abuelita chocolate. We'll also be adding in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And now 30 minutes later, it's done, and it's time to dig in. Now for a Gringo, that mole ain't too bad. Remember to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.